Welcome to a new video of Subway Surfer. Today, this is gonna be my first time. Well, it's not gonna be my first time I played this, but I'm on a new device, so let's go. I already know how to jump, easy. I know how to jump, easy. Let's go down. If you think I can beat your high score, hit the like button. Or if you think I can't, hit the subscribe button and let me know. I don't know this game. I'm not that stupid. I'm sorry for using my words. I know I'm stupid. Ah! Ah! Woo! Look at this. This is for the champions. Okay. This is so easy to me. Okay, easy. Easy. If you've seen Sunny and Shine, let me know. Like, and subscribe if you know that. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, thank you. Because that brings me back from memories. And if y'all guys didn't notice, it says I joined this YouTube channel in 2012. Can you believe that? And I was born in 2013. Can you believe that, guys? Oh my gosh. I can barely beat your height. Ah, dang. Dang. Well, what do we got? I don't care about the money. Home award. I wish I got a secret code. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna check it out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching me, and I might make a part 2. Thank you guys, have a good day, and I'll see you later. Peace.